hiding from the world outside. There's a place where we can hide. A town by resort, we'll find our paradise, where the ocean meets the sky and the sun is always bright. Every moment here is pure delight. Take me to Alma, to where dreams come true, where the beauty's endless skies are always blue. ZAZEN Travel guides us through adventures grand. Out of our resort, we'll make memories that stand. Strolling on the sandy shore, hearing waves we ask for more. ZAZEN Travel shows us wonders to explore. From the sunrise to the night, every scene's a pure delight. Out on my resort, everything feels right. Take me to Alma, to where dreams come true, where the beauty's endless skies are always blue. ZAZEN Travel guides us through adventures grand. Out on my resort, we'll make memories that stand. Strolling on the sandy shore, hearing waves we ask for more. ZAZEN Travel shows us wonders to explore. From the sunrise to the night, every scene's a pure delight. Out on my resort, everything feels right. Take me to Alma, to where dreams come true, where the beauty's endless skies are always blue. ZAZEN Travel guides us through adventures grand. Out of our resort, we'll make memories that stand. Every day is like a dream with ZAZEN Travel, it seems. They make a journey more than just it seems. Every sight and every sound, magic moments all around. Out on my resort, our hearts are truly found. Take me to Alma,